Hey, I'm Melanie. Welcome to my channel, Toasted Blonde. Today we're talking about LimeLife by Alcone's name change to LimeLife, the new catalog, and all the changes going on this spring, so stay tuned. Okay, it is spring 2018 and changes in the air. LimeLife by Alcone's name is now LimeLife. LimeLife by Alcone or LimeLife Alcone, hashtag LimeLife Alcone. And check it out. They've got some changes in prices, in products, and in name. So let's talk about it. Okay, first thing is the name change. Apparently there was trademark issues. Trademarks in Europe were, LimeLife was trademarked in Europe and they couldn't get a trademark on it. So they couldn't use it. So they switched to LimeLife. LimeLife. I'm not sure why LimeLife. I get why they did it. Like visually, it's pretty much the same. It's just a kind of weird name, but it works. It's working for them, and they've trademarked it. LimeLife and LimeLife by Alcone all over the EU. So they are set and ready to go. All right, so they've launched in, wherever they launched so far, Canada. And coming up June 4th, they're launching in the UK. All right, so let's talk about their catalog. Catalog came out a few weeks ago. It is amazing. New names for products, new prices. Of course, LimeLife does it again. Price hikes. Your favorites, like their concealer, are more expensive. The pressed powders, the blushes are more expensive, the eyeshadows are more expensive, everything's up by $2. The One Drop Wonder is more expensive. All right, so what's next? Okay, so they've got new-ish products, and those are the ones I want to talk about because I like them so much. Okay, so they have their old, the regular, same formula for the mascara, but a new brush. It is big and bushy. Look at some pictures here. People have been testing it out. I'm dying to get my hands on one. Apparently it like just really, this new brush makes such a difference because it really grabs to all your lashes. Apparently this is actually the old brush they used to have like a year or so, probably about a year or so ago, maybe a little more than that. Then they switched to new packaging about a year ago. Big brush didn't fit. Now they're back to the old brush. So, newish product. Another newish product is the lip liner. They're putting like a cap on it that can sharpen it. Very cool. And the lip gloss. So in Canada, they could not sell products that had phosphorus in it. So they took the phosphorus out of their signature lip gloss and now we're calling it Perfect Lip Gloss, and it's in the same packaging, and I believe everything's the same. I haven't checked everything out. I just know that it's phosphorus free and it's called Perfect Lip Gloss. Oh my god, I almost forgot their eyeshadows. Okay, so you know they have all these eyeshadows that are in palettes and they're not available as singles online, but in their new catalog all the eyeshadows are available as singles. Now they're not $14 anymore, they're $16, but you don't have to buy the whole Lottie palette or the Bare Metals palette to get what you want. You can buy them as singles now, and that's pretty exciting. I'm excited. I wish it had been back down to $14 because I had wrapped my head around buying one for $14 but not for $16, so it's going to take me a while to purchase and make my next offer. Hey, and I'm looking for a beauty guide. I need somebody to sell to me. All right, that's it for the new-ish products. Then they've got new products. They've got like soaps, like regular body soaps. I think they're $16. They're really beautiful, and I'm looking forward to checking it out if I can. Oh, and the other new product is their paraben-free foundation. I'm dying to get my hands on this. This is what I thought when I bought the last one, that it was foundation paraben-free. It wasn't my beauty guide's fault, even though she led me to think it's paraben-free, but she didn't know. I didn't read the ingredient list, you know, so, but now it is. So like now I think officially every single thing they have at LimeLife by Alcone, is paraben-free, and that's pretty exciting. But it's not like out yet. Like it doesn't say paraben-free on their website, but I know it's coming soon, and they're saying that some shades are shipping in paraben-free. Let's talk about name changes. Oh my god, so in the new catalog there was a bunch of name changes and some of them are like the best ever. So I'm just gonna go right to them, all right? Because they're like so cute. First one's so cute. Must Do, which is kind of cute, but it's like that musty smell, is now called Due Date. It's just cute, right? Now, my favorite one at all is 10 years younger. Setting spray is now called Time Setter, and I actually love that. I just love it. I don't know why. It's like sci-fi-ish. I don't know. Exciting. All right, some other name changes were like simple ones. Skin Therapist went to Skin Therapy. I Aspire is I Arise, and the Calm Balm is Cool Balm. And that's about it for my news. Coming soon, UK launch June 4th, and then I think EU is following it up soon after that. Watch my video if you're interested on what you should know before you join LimeLife UK version. That'll be coming out probably about 2 weeks. And Taylor Reynolds, I updated the enhanced commission just for you. And I'm fixing my other video too. That's about it. Thank you for watching. I am not a beauty guide. I don't sell LimeLife. I'm Melanie. I like makeup. I bought a whole shit ton of it because my sister-in-law was selling LimeLife and I wanted to sell and I got a little obsessed. So I decided not to sell because I actually don't know enough people to sell. I don't have a job. I don't interact with that many people. But I like making videos and I like getting reviews so watch me for more reviews because I couldn't find any reviews online that weren't done by beauty guides. So I make my own reviews of LimeLife and I like to talk about it. And I actually really love their products, some of them. So subscribe to my channel if you're interested and see you soon. Bye-bye.